Hello, everyone. Oh,
What do we have here? Why are you in there in the first place? Because you're trying to drink stale, stagnant water instead of water trough water. Get out. Now you're on the wrong side. Nope, you're on the wrong side of the fence. Other side of the fence. You could help, Tags. Now go out. Yeah, go right there.
Look at them snowy faces. Hey, Pudge. Hi. Hey, babies.
Seriously, guys. What's your plan now? I don't think you have one.
We're struggling this morning.
All she wanted was to close the gate to the goat pen, but the goats thought it was all just a game.
You gotta be faster, Sharon! Run, Sharon!
Huh. Imagine that. Ollie. It is a good day for fish. It's Friday.
Some people like to fish in muddy waters, but I don't think anyone's ever caught a full-grown tractor before.
You better get another chain on there.
Come on. Into it. Oh my God! Are you alright? Are you alright? Please, Daddy, I'm not
A British dairy farm was forced to dump fresh milk because there was too much milk being produced and not enough demand to sell it.
The boss man says this morning, he says, hey, you think maybe you could go one day without up? I said, absolutely, boss man. I said, let's start that tomorrow though, because I'm not sure that today's up's already been penciled in.
Connection failed. Bluetooth.
have that one friend who can fall asleep anywhere.
वही हो रहा था कि ट्रैक्टर नोच जाए.
So anyway, that's what's happening this summer. So
While most cows are vegetarian, this one seems to have an appetite for microphones too.
okay, I don't know if this works, but Judy just ate it off my gut. Holy smoke.
This is a problem. This is a huge problem. Oh my god. How is this one life? Ferguson! How? Why? What are you thinking? You gonna come out of there? How? How'd you get in? Can you get out? Please. Ferguson, why?
That's on another fence. Are you?
Oops.
Jeez. Hey, sheep.
Ice is basically kryptonite for sheep's hooves.
You're not come down here, sheep.
Thankfully, none of them were hurt when they hit the fence. This grain hopper, which is designed to funnel and discharge the grain, clearly couldn't handle the stress of the job.
Twice a month, I gotta watch my neighbor Hank try his best at working a zero-turn lawnmower. Has no idea what he's doing. He's doing it all wrong. Sideways up a hill like this with that type of weight, and he's, oh look, I mean, he's doing it wrong, Hank. You do it, hey, hey.
You are joking.
A man came home only to find that he has a lot of new roommates now.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello.
Like, how in the what? I mean, how do you guys do this kind of stuff? Stay. I mean, it's not even. What the
cattle cubes are made to feed cows, but this horse saw them and thought, close enough.
Hey!
All electric now.
Grain bins like these are built to last decades, but these two completely collapsed even though they were only 2 years old. Oh. Luckily, everyone nearby was okay. One could only wonder what this sheep said to the other one to get it so triggered.
Did you get stuck, poor goat? Huh? Come here. Don't run away!
Hala, acá, hala. Ahora sí, buah.
This woman wanted to prepare some horse feed, but the chickens wouldn't stop pecking at it.
Le dije al del lavadero, no me pongas silicón en las ruedas, se me pega toda la tierra. Mira ahora. Lo parió también. No hay que llevarlo mal los lavaderos.
So look at her butt.
Oh, maybe she's ready to have sex.
When you're transporting fertilizer, even a small mistake can lead to disgusting consequences. When a hawk started attacking the helpless chickens, one brave rooster stepped up to defend them. A tractor tried to rescue another tractor from the water. But things didn't go as planned. The cow just wanted to enjoy a moment of freedom and roll in the hay. Can't really blame her. Most adult cats are lactose intolerant, but these two kittens might be just young enough to enjoy this meal without any problems. Probably wasn't a smart idea to leave the tractor this close to a leaking silo. The good news is that no one was hurt. This man had the right idea on how to get the tractor out of the mud, but unfortunately, physics failed him.
You can do it. If you step forward one more step, sir, your nose is not. There you go. Yeah, you got it.
This man just rescued his sheep. Little did he know, the sheep has a self-destructive personality.
Side! Oh, I didn't even stop on the... Oh! Oh!
The last thing you'd want to find in your crops is a mouse, let alone thousands of mice. This is the first time these chickens have ever been exposed to snow. You can tell they're not big fans.
Oh, he's coming around this way.
I think Duke's getting tired. You're wearing out my chicken, boy.
Run, Leia, run. She's like, come on, let's run. She almost got her.
He's not, you know, she's not clucking or anything.
Look at her peeking.
Some animals can move just fine on only 3 legs. Apparently, some tractors can do the same with 3 wheels.
It's leaning. Grain's coming out of the side of it now. It's falling more.
Get back, Dad!
Get back, Grandpa! Get back! Get back! Drop pipe just fell off of it. Yeah. There it goes. Yeah. Son of a gun.
Dobra! Dawaj, dawaj Maciek, dawaj! Okej, okej!
There it goes!
This is less of a fail and more of a visually satisfying destruction.
Literally. Oh no, oh no. Oh. Oh dear. Oh. Oh my god. You just can't write it. It's blocked. It's blocked. Oh. Oh. Oh dear, with an audience, with a live studio audience. They say no face, no case, but I feel like I do have to own up to this one. This is a bad one.
This man should probably never drive a tractor again. But hey, at least he got the job done. Tractor tug-of-war is an actual sport that some people participate in, and while no one was injured here, you can see how dangerous it can be.
Go.
Okay, so I have good news and I have bad news. The bad news is I will not be able to get the well going to give you water. It's not an electrical problem, it's an issue with the motor, okay? The good news is Michael's coming and he'll bring you water, okay? So you're not gonna die. You'll just be thirsty for a while longer, okay?
These cows must feel lucky to have a farmer who speaks to them so openly and honestly.
All right? Have a great day.
Ya está parado.
What the? Oh, we all have days like that, mate. Stick with it. It's Friday.